Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you'll be notified.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Shobik Sadhu from Any Online, and today in this video we are going to discuss about a major issue that's called the Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability. What is Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability? What are its effects? Well, one thing to tell guys, that this is a very big vulnerability, this is a very big issue about which you all should know about this. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin.
Drift away.
So guys, before knowing what is this Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability, we should know when it was discovered and by whom it was discovered. Actually, this vulnerability was discovered on 3rd January of 2018. Three young researchers actually from Australia, on one day they wrote a particular code, and they were able to collect the data, all your Facebook chats, from your private email conversations, and each and everything, your browsing history, A to Z data was being able to collect from another system. And this is a very big flaw related to the processor. So now let's come to know what is Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability. Data means all kinds of data are there, like your personal browsing history, your personal Facebook chats, even the passwords which you enter, that also come in data, as well as your your private email conversations also. So in Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability, what happens is this is a flaw related to the processor. So even the data is also can be stolen from the deepest part, that's the deepest part of your operating system, that's the kernel. So this is a very big issue, or what you call a big concern, from such a deepest part of the operating system, data can be stolen, and excluding the personal computers, the servers are also in very big danger. Why? Because the servers also run in processors. So this is a very big tension. I would like to call it a tension for Intel and AMD people. These are the chip making companies, and now they have joined hands with all the big tech giants like the Dell and even Apple also, and they are working upon this issue to solve them. So first, let's know what's the kernel of an OS. So basically, the kernel is the deepest part, the basic level of the operating system. As you can see, here is a diagram with so from this diagram you can understand what is kernel. And one thing guys, this kernel has access to your memory as well as processor too. It basically, what it does, it has full access to the system's memory, and it allows to process every process for every software or every task. It allows the safely process to access the memory the particular application requires. This Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability affects the majority of the not only the modern processors, even the old computers also in danger. The computers up 20 years old, even the 20-year-old system can be hacked with that particular code which has been developed by the students. So basically what they did, they reported to Intel and AMD, and now after that reporting, they were completely shocked. They were completely shocked regarding this issue, how did it come and all those stuff. So guys, this is a very big issue, and Intel and AMD are rigorously working upon this issue. So now the next thing comes, how to be safe how to make our PCs, laptops, servers safe from this issue. So that your manufacturer, the system manufacturers company like Dell, Lenovo, they are providing small patch updates. So guys, do one thing, you just log on to your manufacturer's website and you see what are the latest driver updates and what are the latest patches provided by the companies. You download those updates and patches and apply them to your system. Every day they're giving new updates. Like Dell is giving, one day they gave a patch on BIOS update, and they're giving continuously, they're giving small patches. So guys, please install them, and they are not going to give it like this patch will not come through your Windows automatic updates like how it updates like normal updates. So you have to go to your system manufacturer's website, and you have to download the patches and updates and install them every day to keep your data safe from the Spectre and vulnerability issues. And now there is no official updates provided by Microsoft for Windows, and for even Mac also no patches are been till given. Patches or updates are given from the protection from this Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability. And recently Microsoft gave a statement like when they will give the update and patch for the Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability, the systems which are running on Windows 7 and 8 on those systems which are running on old processors like what you call the Intel Core 2 Duo processors and all those other old processors, they will suffer a big performance issue. Their system will slow down, and they will notice a major performance defect. And on that also Windows is working for like the performance issue shouldn't come, but the first update which they will provide, in that there will be a huge performance variation in Windows 7 and 8, and Windows 10 they are completely safe, no issues regarding the performance. And till now Linux has provided official patches and updates for from protection from this Meltdown and Spectre vulnerability. Why? Because the maximum of the servers run on the Linux system. So Linux has provided some patches from protection from this Meltdown and Spectre vulnerabilities. And guys, I do recommend you please visit your system manufacturer's website and please download the latest updates and apply those patches and make your system safe so that your data doesn't get compromised. Today, 3 to 4 days before, those 3 young researchers, they developed this code, and in coming few days the hackers may also develop a stronger code than those guys who created the particular code, and your data may get compromised. So please keep your data safe, guys. So guys, if you found this video informative, do smash the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, do press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next video.
Let it go.